So now we're burying the bird. So as you see, I dug a hole for him, and my friend Daniel here is going to get the bird and then bury him in the hole that I made.
That you did not make.
I did make it. And my friend Khalil is recording.
Sure, I am. You
Oh,
know this isn't going on YouTube, right?
Yeah, it's not going on.
Then why are you acting like it's on YouTube?
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Oh, shoot. Wrong way. Where is he?
I don't know. Here he is, Daniel.
I'll do it. Hold the camera.
No, I got it.
Yeah.
Why did it have to end like this? He was just a baby.
How do you know he's dead?
Because
Let
he's,
me-
Look at him.
he's limp.
Legs are broken. Not breathing.
And his eyes aren't open.
That's how you tell he's.
People don't die with their eyes closed all the time.
They die with their eyes open sometimes too.
Ugh, I feel so bad.
I do too.
Wait, first we gotta show his brother this.
No!
Yeah, look.
That is evil and or frightening. No. Then we have to put some rocks above his grave.
No,
Yeah, we do.
I'm about to pick up his brother. I'm just kidding.
Oh wait, what if you buried most of the brother's body under the ground, and then that was the tombstone,
Oh,
and then he'd die from hunger, and then his head would be there forever until it becomes a skull, and his skull would just be hanging out.
that would be very terrifying.
And cruel.
That would be very cruel.
Oh, dang it.
Famous bird. We're not going to do that to
Billy
you, okay?
was famous.
Look, we have to bury a firefly with him.
Billy,
No, that's weird.
Billy died
Did
famous.
you really just do that? No.
Billy Bob Jones died famous
The bird.
here.
Where?
Famous bird. Famous bird. The bird. The bird. Look out! Here comes the jumping bird. I'm the jumping bird. You done burying him, Aston?
No. He sees the baby.
I'm coming! You see another baby bird? Where is he?
This one's Joe.
Hey, famous bird.
Joe, not Joe.
There's another famous bird. You want? Yeah.
Oh, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Probably die eventually. Unless they make infinite living serum before this bird dies in about 3 years.
Give me some rocks.
No, it's okay.
No, it's not. Give you this giant, stupid rock. Come on, stupid rock.
We're getting some sticks and rocks.
Here's some rocks. Batman.
If we had both of their heads sticking out like I
No, that is.
Stop talking about that.
said, it would be amazing.
It would be cruel. And I would tell your mom. You'd probably get in really big trouble.
We're probably getting in really big. If we told my mom, we'd probably get in really big trouble for just burying it or something. I don't know.
Bury your cat.
You would get in trouble for.
Buried a bird once. Remember?
I buried bat bones, but I didn't bury a bird.
No, I did it with you. Bat
I know.
bones.
Yeah, we buried bat bones.
It was bat bones or it was mice bones.
Yeah.
Bat bones? Where'd you find bat bones or mice bones?
My
It was
cats-
bat bones or mice bones.
And besides, both my cats can catch both.
We found it in
And
the
birds.
front yards.
Oh, wait, if Penelope was here, she'd totally hunt that bird down.
Derpy bird down.
Yes, and it wouldn't be famous anymore because she'd bite off its head.
It would still be famous.
Cool, man.
Probably not. I don't think this bird is gonna be famous anyway.
He is.
He
Isn't he, Caldwell?
The dead bird will probably be more famous than this bird.
Yeah, because this bird is alive. Dead people are famous.
No, they aren't.
Abraham Lincoln is famous. George Washington is famous.
Cause they actually did something
No,
great.
he's famous. He's a legend.
How? He did nothing.
He survived over 7 minutes of a dog trying to murder
No,
him.
over like 10 seconds.
No.
Like at least 2 minutes.
A minute.
2 minutes,
Yeah.
bro.
No, a minute.
No, because he was over there a bunch, and like it kept bugging him. And said,
Clover.
No.
Clover.
I'm going
Bro, we need to get these birds out of here and then bring Clover back outside.
Clover was Clover.
Dog.
JC.
Oh,
Yes.
Clover. Clover's that. You know what? You made me mad.
Clover is Aaron's dog. I was just doing it as a, like.
You made me mad, so now I gotta calm down by doing this.
Should I leave?
Why?
Because I'm depressed.
How?
Because a bird died. In front of my eyes.
How? Your mom's so overprotective, you can't even bury a bird. I buried a squirrel before.
Snake.
I buried a squirrel before. It was like so weird.
What if a random Yeti just stomped on it?
That would be really, and I would kill that. Stop poking him. You're making him mad. He's going to say, you're really pressing my button.
I'm not poking him, okay?
Does he like that? Yeah.
No, I'd be like,
I'm not poking! Not poking him!
poking
Okay.
birds, gotta poke all the birds.
I need that. Okay, I don't care.
Pokemon, gotta poke on the man.
I do it better.
I know it's my destiny. Shut up, Daniel, cause you're not my best friend.
Yeah, I know. It's great.
You don't know the truth, Daniel.
Yeah. I already knew the truth.
What?
That I'm not your best friend.
When did I say you weren't my best friend?
You just said it, I'm not your best friend.
That was a song. There's difference in a song
Come on.
in Pokemon in real life. There's difference, Daniel.
Legendary.
Dang.
Billy.
You know, I just
I
said
already did.
No, I